Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and this might not be as good as other people's because really I'm just doing the natural look and I'm not really that good at makeup, so yeah. So let's get straight into it. So first I'm going to start off by using this cream I just put on my face. I don't really think you can see the title and the name of it, but I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face. After there's this L'Oreal True Match Super Blend powder that just basically has a mirror inside, and it has this thing that you can use to put on your face. Not working out. So after that, I look a bit, but then I put some lipstick, but I put some lip gloss before that, so I'm going to put some lip gloss on. And then the lipstick goes on. I only put a little bit because it's just a natural look, so you can see the mirror in this mirror. That looks okay. After that, I get this again and I put the cream on my face. And you guys will be telling me why I'm using it twice. I just use it twice because I just like the product. But yeah, I don't really have to use it twice. I feel like it just works out. On the places I don't really think are good, so. The thing is, it doesn't really look like I put lip makeup on, except from the lipstick, so it just feels like I just haven't put makeup on, but I did. After that, I go close it. And it doesn't look like I really put a lot of makeup on. This is just the natural, normal look I do whenever I feel like it. So I just like line up the lips. And after, you're gonna be like, you forgot the eyebrows and the eyelashes. So I'm gonna go with it. I'm just gonna do my eyelashes and also my eyebrows, and I'm probably just gonna speed up the process for this. I don't think it's gonna be speeded up, actually, it doesn't matter. Looks as if I didn't. Eyelashes for a natural look, but yeah, this is I think it isn't really a good makeup tutorial, but I hope you guys liked it. I hope this I don't really look that good, but maybe you guys might have liked it, so please do subscribe, like, and comment if you did like it, and if you didn't, just, I don't know, you probably didn't watch the full video, but